Hi guys, this is Naima and welcome to Foxy. Today I'm going to do something super cool, which is beauty hacks. The most commonly asked questions is how to make your kajal last longer and how to make your lipstick last longer. So let's get started. So I'm using definitely black kajal from MAC. And I'm going to use the Inglot gel eyeliner. So this is one simple step. So how you apply your regular kajal. I'm literally going to take my kajal pencil and dip it into the gel liner like this. So the hack here is that using gel eyeliner on your kajal pencil is what will make it last longer, because usually gel eyeliner has the staying power. That's why I'm using this. This is something that I swear by, that I've been using over the years on myself or whether I'm at work, and trust me, it works. So this is how simple it is, and trust me, this is completely waterproof. I use it for all the brides who are going to cry on their wedding day, and this is a complete 100% beauty hack. You can try it and tell me if this worked or not. Now I'm going to move on to the lipstick hack, which is how to make your lipstick last longer. So it's really simple. I'm going to start by using Soar. So now I'm going to move on to the lipstick hack that I told you guys about, and this is another foolproof hack, and trust me, it works, because again, I use it on brides at work, I use it on myself. So usually it's something that's like 100% effective for like darker shades, because that is something when you use like reds and dark pinks, and those colors tend to bleed. So I'm going to start with using Soar by MAC, which is a slightly pinkish nude lip pencil. So usually when you're using a lip liner or a lip pencil, you have to make sure that it's either matching the lipstick that you're going to use eventually, or somewhere close to that. It cannot be darker than the color you're using, but definitely slightly lighter or matching. So this is, I'm doing something super basic, super nude, just to show you the hack, and this can work with any color that you're using. So I'm going to start with outlining my lips, and then I'm going to fill in with the same color. So filling in before applying lipstick is what is going to make your lipstick last longer. Now that I am done with completely filling my lips with the lip pencil, and I have created a base for my lipstick, I'm using this color from the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte to go over this like you normally apply lipstick. So this is what I would do to make my lipstick last longer. And if you feel like you want to further mattify it, not that this Huda Beauty lipstick actually needs any more mattifying, because it's already so matte and it tends to dry out sometimes. I'm going to use this light brown eyeshadow matching the lipstick from my Morphe palette, this one. And just slightly dab over. This step is like completely optional. This is just something that is a safer option to use on top of this. You can use blush, eyeshadow, loose powder, anything, since there are no rules in makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and these hacks were helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to Foxy for more beauty videos. Also, you can follow me on Instagram on Makeup and Hair by Maliha. I'll see you soon. Maliha loves.